everyone, it's Marissa with StrongSuit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our Reliance list tool to automatically generate a complete Reliance list for your expert witnesses. You can find our Reliance list tool under the litigation section on our homepage. To get started, add a new matter and type in a description of your matter as well as a description of your case. You can upload documents by either clicking the Select Files button, uploading from Dropbox, or simply dragging and dropping documents from your local file. Add in the name of your expert witness as well as whether you would like to download your Reliance list in an Excel or Word document format. Click Finish when you're done uploading document. To find your Reliance list, navigate to the Command Center where you'll be able to download your Reliance list. You can also upload your Reliance list in the Command Center. Here's an example of a Reliance list you'll be able to download on our platform. If you have any questions navigating this tool or any of our other tools, please feel free to reach out to support@strongsuit.com. Thank you.